Well, any guesses on what this is? You already know.
Of course I know. It has an automatic transmission.
Well, I got into automatic because it's more likely that it's not beat up on.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Pull this off.
There she is. So if you can't tell, this is a 1JZ VVTi. This is actually for my 240 again.
Yeah.
Yay.
You want to tell them what happened?
I'll tell them later. It's too stupid to tell them. So...
yeah.
I can't really tell. We'll take off everything here. So... This was from a Crown, I think. Toyota Crown. Like those weird Toyota sedans that they have in Japan.
Front sump, right?
Yeah.
So if you're doing a 1J into an S13, S chassis, whatever, you need the front sump oil pan. So basically the sump sits farther forward.
There's your little turbo. So I'm putting everything from... Well, I have a 1J in that car, if you don't know. So that blew up. And I'm taking everything off of that, like I have a Tomei turbo and stuff. Putting onto this one. And we're slapping it back in. Alright, so I got all my stuff over there somewhere. Clutch, the engine gasket kit. What else do I got? I already have like everything from the car already, so I'm just kind of...
Yeah, so basically we got
the timing belt kit.
Oh, the time belt kit,
yeah.
So we got to strip this thing down, take the good stuff from that one, and throw it on here.
And we're obviously not using this because I already have a RN54. They're doo-doo trans, but it'll work. Oh, I got a short shifter somewhere too. Is it here? Somewhere in here. I got the cube short shifter for RN54. I didn't have that before. So if anyone wants a trans, hit up Alan.
I don't know, $100?
I mean, I'm guessing like the GS guys will want this or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then we got a new engine stand for his engine.
The highest quality engine stand in the world.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight. Sponsor us.
So, yeah, we gotta get this.
Look at this ugly J pipe. Look at this. See how this intake thing sits right over the exhaust? Call that the intake heater. This thing. Obviously, you don't want hot air going into your engine, but this is how Toyota designed it. See, this goes through your intercooler, which might or may not cool it. But yeah.
And you see, it looks pretty clean at least.
All right, let's get this thing off of this.
Tough straps.
I mean, you just gotta make it loose. You have to remove it. So, is that everything?
I think so.
All right, lift it. I'm trying to get this inside the garage. Obviously, it's raining.
Anyways. Okay, can this at least be pulled out?
Yeah, sure. A little higher. So I got this through eBay. eBay engine.
JD Orlando.
Yeah. It was a pretty cheap deal. These are surprisingly cheap.
Especially with the automatic.
Yeah. Just give these away if you have an automatic, pretty much. Oh, it's spilling.
Go back down
Okay.
a little bit.
Oh, trans fluid everywhere. That's great. Of course, they don't drain them like that well, so this is to be expected.
Everywhere.
Oh, you forgot to do that, Ellen. Too late. And
Closed.
piece of shit. Just get the towels up there. Yeah. All right. $1,000 for this trans if you want it. Nobody's gonna want this. You're bending these lines, stupid. Jesus. So go this way. Alright. Shove that off to the side somewhere. This one. Do you have it or no? Get this ugly thing off of it.
I got all the bolts.
Looks like you're doing something.
I had a bigger pry bar.
Yeah, look at that. Piece of junk torque converter.
This thing is heavy. You in a big gun?
So like I said, I got an RN54 already. Oh. There you go. Alright, we got the 1JZ on the engine stand. It's a big beefy engine. Of course, it's a big old 6-cylinder.
Yeah, it's super long. 4-cylinder would be like right here.
Yeah, it'd be chopped in half, literally.
So this thing is like just as, actually it's longer than the engine stand. Should be fine.
Harbor Freight engine stand.
I mean, my RB's been on there for like a year and it hasn't fallen down yet. So I guess we just gotta strip it down.
Yeah, we're taking everything off,
Like
pretty much.
The harness.
Yeah, the harness goes through the intake, so.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be.
You didn't see that. I took it off before. When I had my other one, I already took it off.
That's gonna be fun.
Oh.
But I don't think we're gonna use any of the stuff anyway, so we'll try and take it off in one piece.
Yeah, I got this weird throttle body. This is a drive-by-wire. You see, there's no throttle cable. Super weird. Well, there's a thing here, though.
No, I think it does drive by the throttle cable, but then this is like the traction control. Something like that. It like cuts it off so you don't spin.
Well,
out.
mine has the same thing, but it doesn't look like this. Weird. Okay.
I don't know. So let's see. We don't need AC compressor.
Well, I got my nice shiny pulleys on my other JZ. I put it on.
We're gonna take out these hoses.
I was gonna see what's under the, how it looks under the valve covers.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and they cut off the muffler here, or the exhaust too. They didn't even bother to unbolt it.
Well, I guess it's easier just to chop it off, I guess.
I mean, we don't need it, but they could have done it better.
Well, it's kind of made a mess, but we kind of cleared it up.
Oh, you should have saw it before. There's
I mean, when you're dealing with engines, it's just
This time it wasn't coolant. It was a tranny fluid this time.
Oh, maybe there's coolant in here still. Nah, I don't think so.
No.
Well, check out the oil pan. That is smashed. That needs to be replaced.
That is like
That's
the
bad.
most smash you can get.
That's bad, obviously. So,
Where does it say 1JZ?
right down here. Should be right
Oh,
here.
yeah, right here. Just in big
Let's see.
letters. Right here.
Let's see. Okay, there it is.
We gotta paint that red.
No one's ever gonna see.
Alright, so I guess we'll update you guys once all this stuff is off.
Alright, so the engine has been completely stripped apart. Well, mostly. We took off the exhaust here, the intake's off, water mount's off, the water lines are off here. Yeah, it looks kind of crusty, to be honest. Looks like they didn't like to do oil changes on this engine.
This came out of a Toyota Crown, right?
Toyota Crown, those weird sedan things that they got.
It's like a Camry over there, basically. And I feel like they didn't really care about the car, so they just didn't do oil changes.
I hear that Japanese people don't like really do oil changes.
They don't really do maintenance because you have to buy a new car at some point anyways because of the taxes. So that's probably what happened to this. But I don't know. It's just
Hopefully there's not too much sludge everywhere else.
there's not too much up here, so I think it'll be fine.
You know, it's kind of built up, you know. It's okay. It's decent. I think my other one was pretty clean though.
Yeah, the other one's pretty clean. So I guess we're gonna rebuild the head.
Maybe. Probably.
Maybe get some new cams while you're at it.
I want that chop. I want that mean idol.
Yeah.
I want people like, what? What is that?
Yeah. So I gotta bring the big gun to get this crank bolt off.
Yeah, these things are cranked to like 1,000 foot-pounds.
So that we can do the timing belt. We got some goods over here. You know, all OEM stuff. And then we got the Grady timing belt. And
Yep, hopefully we can get this back on the road.
yeah.
Should be pretty quick. Hopefully.
And then a tune.
Then ECU and a tune?
That's the next step after we get this thing in, right?
Yep. So I've been running the JZ on a stock ECU with an upgraded turbo. It seems to be working, but it could be better. I know. Oh, we'll see. We'll get this done first. Peace.
Yeah.